Hi, it's the Black Bonsai Guy, and I'm back to show you a quick recipe that I like to make with my aloe. I got some aloe that I'm growing in the backyard, and it's time to go ahead and start to propagate more aloe, so I figured I'd make this drink right now. I also grow lemons in the backyard, and I have some mint. I just washed it, so that's why it looks a little shriveled up. So you got your aloe, you got your lemon, you got your mint. For a little sweetness, I generally add some agave. You could use honey or you could use sugar. So let me just get into this right quick. So basically what you want to do, give myself some space here. You want to get you a piece of aloe and you want to slice it down the middle. And what you want to do is you want to take a spoon and you just want to, it's slippery. You want to run your spoon up there. And I'll put this in there so you can see. And this is how the inside of aloe looks. So make sure you guys can see that. Yep. So that's the inside of aloe. So you want to keep that on the side. It's slimy, which is good for you. It gets into your stomach and helps you digest food. It's good for hydration, and everybody knows aloe is good for the skin. So if you want to have beautiful skin, you can take these and you can just rub them over your skin, and it'll help hydrate your skin. So that's how you process the aloe. I'll do one more so you can see. Just cut it straight down the middle, long ways. Put it into two pieces. And then I just take my spoon and I scrape out the inside of it. And a lot of people, they try to de-slime it. I don't de-slime it. I keep it all in there, because by the time you mix it up, it won't be as slimy. It'll still be thick, but it won't be as slimy. And all that is wonderful for hydration. And being in Tucson, you need all of the hydration you can get, because the sun will actually suck the moisture right out of your body. That's how hot it is in Tucson. It's a dry heat. So I'm just getting all of that off. Oops, sorry about that for those who are listening. This one doesn't want to act right. I'll do one more. This is another piece. Down here is generally nothing in there. So what I'll do is I'll just cut that tip off and get rid of it. Or if you have someone in the house that needs it, give it to them, they can put it on their skin. Just butterfly this down the middle. And again, use your spoon, scrape it out. If you look it up, aloe is full of minerals and nutrients that your body needs. It's slept on. Some people use it, but a lot of people, they sleep on aloe. Got one more half. Alright, so I'll pause right here and I'll come back and I'll process everything later. Alright, I'm back. So I got all of that processed. Put this on the side for now. And as you can see, this is all of the inside of aloes. Now these aloes were a little bit more on the drier side because they were lower, closer to the root ball. So they don't have as much hydration because they're older leaves of aloe. But you could do it with new, you could do it with old. I like to use the old. So you just put all of that into a glass, and I'll show you. This is the finished product. I know it don't look that good, but everything that's good for you don't look good. So this is my mint. I've already washed it. Everybody knows how to do mint. You just go against the grain. Boom. Nothing fancy there. Throw those in. Make sure you can see. Yep. Then you got that lemon. Go ahead, slice that bad boy in half like that. Then you wanna get that juice in. I put the seeds in my drinks. If I swallow them, I swallow them. I ain't tripping. I know growing up they say you shouldn't swallow lemon seeds, but as you get older, you find out a lot of that stuff is just bull. So, boom, got that in there. Get the other half. Now, for some people, having a whole lemon might be too much. I'm lucky enough to where these lemons are not super tart. They're more on the sweeter side. See all that juice coming out that thing, huh? Lord. I grow these in the backyard, by the way. And I sell them, by the way. For those who are in Tucson. Just sold about 60 of them. Sorry about that, I got interrupted. My timer went off. Yeah, I get all that lemon out, pulp and all. And this is super concentrated. You can break this down and make several drinks with it. In fact, I'm gonna split this with me and the missus. Boom, get all that off. And let me rinse my hands right quick. Then we put some aloe in it. I generally do a tablespoon, but since I'm splitting this 2 ways, I'll throw 2 in there. All right. Now what you want to do next is you want to add some water to it. Cold water or ice water, either one. Boom. I eat the mint leaves and all. It has some thickness to it, but all that is good for hydration. For those who are working out, those who want something to pick up their energy throughout the day, this is the perfect drink for you. And then, by the way, it's vegan. I'm vegan as well. I'm vegan in 2018 in June. So that's a quick little recipe you can make for yourself. I'm about to bust this down again and give half away. And I just wanted to share this quick little recipe with you. I don't know what to call it. Maybe Mint-Aloe lemonade. That's what it's going to be. Mint-Aloe lemonade. It's the Black Bonsai guy. Holla back.